Hello everybody, this is Darvish Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I'm here with you for lecture number 39. Lecture number 39 is about the second type of simple subject. What is the second type of simple subject? The second type of simple subject that we have, this is improper noun is subject. Here we want to know then what is subject and how improper noun or how a common noun is used in place of subject. This is quite very simple because here a noun phrase or a closed form of noun which is called pronoun is used. But rather we say improper noun is that noun which is used in general. For example, I say city. City is an improper noun. If I say doctor, doctor is used for male doctor, for female doctor. It's a kind of common word as a noun that is used for everyone all around. If I say about teacher, teacher is a common noun, which means it is used for all. Like this, we understand that improper noun is used in general, not in particular, while subject is called that part of the sentence about which the predicate is written. So it is clear that when I say about improper noun is subject, we understand that in subject there is subject plus verb plus object. Here this is subject, this is the structure of a sentence. So we understand that this sentence contains two parts. One is subject, one is predicate. In subject, this is subject, while verb plus object, this part is called predicate. But here we should know that how an improper noun or how a common noun or how a general name is used in place of subject. This is the second type of subject. For example, I say the city of lights. The city of lights is named as Karachi. Now the city of lights is named as Karachi. The question is, here the word city which I have, this city is a common noun, is an improper noun used in place of subject in this very sentence. So we say the city of lights is named as Karachi. Here improper noun is used in place of subject. The second example that I would like to give you, that is the book of verses. The book of verses is recited on Sunday. It means the book of verses is recited on Sunday. This word book, it is actually called an improper noun. But this improper noun or that very example which I gave you about city, these words, they are proper with the help of the. It means it is an improper noun which is used here as subject. The third example that I give you about improper noun. Sometimes we say a friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Here, who is this friend? Actually, this friend is an improper noun, but this improper noun is used in place of subject. Therefore, we say that second type of simple subject is improper noun. I hope so you like this video. Please watch my channel and do subscribe it and click the bell icon. Thank you all. Best of luck.